Introducing the ultimate aromatherapy experience with our innovative diffuser. With a sleek design and advanced features, this diffuser is the perfect addition to any home or office space. The built-in clock and timer function allows you to set your preferred scent and schedule, making it the perfect choice for busy individuals. The white noise feature creates a calming atmosphere, and with the wake-up function, you can start your day feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. With Bluetooth connectivity and a built-in speaker, you can stream your favorite music while enjoying the fragrant mist. The diffuser doubles as a humidifier, adding moisture to the air and creating a comfortable environment. The generous 300 milliliters water tank provides up to 12 hours of continuous use, so you can enjoy the benefits of aromatherapy without interruption. The diffuser also features 7-color LED lighting, creating a mesmerizing and relaxing atmosphere. Whether you want to unwind after a long day or create a peaceful ambiance for your yoga practice, this diffuser is the perfect choice. Upgrade your space with this all-in-one diffuser and experience the benefits of aromatherapy, humidification, and relaxation all in one device.